Hey guys, welcome back. In today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a gas stove or range that is not lighting using a paper clip. This is a cool little hack my father taught me. Hope it helps. All right, for demonstrational purposes, we're going to be doing the stove in the bottom right. Just going to want to remove the grate, then remove the little lid that's on top. All right, so these gas ranges only need two things to work. They need gas and spark coming from this little white thing. That's the igniter. When you turn the dial and it's clicking, you should see a spark. Double check that is sparking. Otherwise, if it's not, you're gonna need to replace the igniter. And also make sure you can smell gas.
All right, so you verified that you have spark as well as gas. This is usually the culprit that is causing your stove not to work. Let me just zoom in here. You see that tiny little hole right there? That allows the gas to seep out to the igniter, and then the igniter catches it and causes flame. The problem is, over time, cooking food particles, grease, cleaning supplies, anything can get into that little hole and prevent the gas from reaching the igniter. So all you're going to want to do is get a paper clip or a can of compressed air, or if you have a compressor, you can use that, and just shove the little paper clip through. Make sure it's not obstructed at all. Sometimes it's a really tight fit because it might be clogged in there, again, with cleaning supplies or food particles. Make sure that little hole is clear so it allows the gas to escape to the igniter.